Hey guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bangkong Kahoy Valley. Dito sa Dolores, Quezon, napapagitnaan ng Mount Banahaw at Santo Cristobal. Andito tayo with Tito Dion. Tito Dion, can you tell us more about this place, Bangkong Kahoy Valley, and about the Bakit beneficiary children?
Well, the short answer is we're here to actually celebrate nature, the environment, and how we can protect it. Initially, I started with about 27 children, and they're actually from 7 years old to about 28 years old.
Okay lang po bang malaman, pwede, kung bakit po natin ginagawa itong Banahaw Tugtugan and para saan po ito?
Okay. Ang main purpose actually ng Banahaw Tugtugan ay para mapag-aral namin beyond high school ang mga estudyante rito sa maliit naming lugar. To protect the area, kailangan namin na magkaroon sila ng education. So, yeah, I'm so happy that we do this sort of things, and yun, maraming sumusuporta dito sa sistema namin na ginagawa dito sa Bangkong Kahoy. You know, like, I'm so happy that you're here trying to help us so that we can make it with the purpose that we wanted to happen.
We're so happy to be here actually. Signal Rewards, we're here with our group. The ambassadors and the staff are here. Actually, Signal Rewards is one of the donors or sponsors. If you guys download the app, Bangkong Kahoy Children Community here na tinutulungan nila Tito Dion are beneficiaries of Signal Rewards. It's the first full-service travel agency in an app. If you guys download it, you're able to save, not just save and travel, you're also helping. And one of them are the children that Tito Dion are helping out.
Yes, tama.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Tito Dion. Thank you so much
Thank
po.
you.
And congratulations
Salamat.
po. Opo.
Okay.
Hey guys, register na kayo. Nasa comment section po ang link at ang QR code ng Signal Rewards. Thank you.
Thank you.